Alright, what you're looking at is two cockatiels that have just been through the ringer. The one on your left, sorry, I forgot what that was, you guys were on. The gray one actually had no major injuries. The story is these guys probably had some night frights at night, came down, there was a lot of blood and stuff in the cage. So the one on the right did fine. He didn't manage to lose a blood feather, but it healed pretty quickly. The one on the right there, our yellow one, as you can tell, there's a blood spot on his right shoulder there. That's where he actually had a blood feather that was a problem, and we've actually gone and removed that blood feather, and I still believe there's a small chunk left in there, so we've actually done a nitrate stick to cauterize it, and it's not bleeding now, so that's good news. Anyway, I don't believe these guys need any antibiotics, just some decent TLC in a quieter place to sleep, and these guys will probably be fine. Oh, and then I dropped the camera. What's up? What do you think? What? What's up? Juice, piss juice, go away. Alright, you guys have been fine. Later.